This is the second part of the video on fundamental ballet movements. Battement fondu, literally meaning melting, is an exercise that develops softness, fluidity, strength, and coordination of movements, as it requires simultaneous bending and straightening of both legs. The supporting leg performs a demi-plie, while the working leg bends at the knee and is held in sur le coup de pied position. As the supporting leg straightens, the working leg extends into the air to its final point, usually at 45 or 90 degrees. The bending and straightening of the legs must be perfectly synchronized and smooth. We will perform 4 battements fondu forward, to the side, backward, and to the side again. Strive to keep the hips aligned. The torso must remain perfectly vertical. When performing to the side, alternate sur le coup de pied in front and behind. Keep the center of gravity precisely over the supporting foot. When performing backward, sur le coup de pied is held behind. Battement fondu is not about speed. It's about control, strength, and softness. Now we'll do the exercise with the left leg, holding the bar with one hand. Battement frappé is a quick exercise consisting of a strike and an extension of the leg. The working leg is bent and held in sur le coup de pied position. The supporting leg remains perfectly straight and lengthened. Ideally, perform sur le coup de pied by wrapping around the supporting leg, but you may also use sur le coup de pied in front. The working leg extends into the air to a height of 25 degrees, or, at the beginner level, it may remain on the floor. The foot must be fully pointed. When performing backward, hold sur le coup de pied behind. In the bent position, the knee should be drawn as far to the side as possible. We'll do 4 battements frappés en croix. The thigh of the working leg must stay completely still. The movement comes from the knee. When performing to the side, alternate sur le coup de pied positions. Now we'll do with the left leg, holding the bar with one hand, 4 battements frappés en croix. Petit battement is a series of small, quick beats performed around the ankle of the supporting leg, with the thigh remaining still. The working leg is bent and held in sur le coup de pied position, wrapping around the supporting leg, or, for beginners, placed alternately in front and behind the ankle. The supporting leg remains perfectly straight and lengthened. Keep the heel forward and the toes pointing back at all times. Remember, turnout originates from the hip joint. The most important rule: the thigh of the working leg must remain completely motionless and turned out. The exercise is performed at a quick tempo, with a clear rhythm and precise, sharp beats. We will continue with the left leg, holding the bar with one hand. This movement develops precision, refined technique, and endurance in the rotator muscles. Rond de jambe en l'air. Literally, circle of the leg in the air. The working leg is lifted to the side in à la seconde at a fixed height of 45 degrees. In the en dehors direction, the leg moves outward, away from the supporting leg. In the en dedans direction, the leg moves inward, toward the supporting leg. The working leg performs a series of small circles, while the thigh remains absolutely still. If maintaining proper turnout is difficult, you may lightly support the leg with your hand during the early stages of practice. The supporting leg remains perfectly straight and lengthened. The torso stays vertical and motionless. Now, with the left leg and one hand on the bar, 8 ronds de jambe en l'air, en dehors. All movement originates from the knee of the working leg. Lower the leg to the toe and lift again. Another 8 repetitions, again en dehors. Lightly support the leg with your hand if needed. The next exercise is also performed holding the bar with one hand. Battement développé is a slow, smooth movement and an essential element of adagio. It develops strength, control, and endurance of the leg and core muscles. We will perform 4 développés in each direction. On the 3rd and 4th repetitions, you may add a demi-plié. The working leg slides up the supporting leg through sur le coup de pied and passé, then unfolds smoothly and slowly into the desired direction, lowers to the toe, and returns to the starting position. Maintain maximum turnout from the hip joint throughout the entire movement. The torso and pelvis must remain absolutely vertical and still, with the body weight fully centered over the supporting leg. You may also perform the développé to the back, finishing with a demi-plié on the supporting leg. The movement should be soft, sustained, and free from any jerks. Continue with the left leg. 4 battements développés in each direction. Each time, clearly show the turned out passé position before extending the leg. On the 3rd and 4th repetitions, add a demi-plié on the supporting leg. Then perform 2 battements développés to the back with the supporting knee fully straightened. Followed by 2 more battements développés to the back with a demi-plié on the supporting leg. Grand battement, literally big kick or large throw, is a dynamic exercise within the Battement group. It develops strength, endurance and range of motion, preparing the body for large jumps. At the early stages of training, it may be performed from the first position, 4 grand battements in each direction. Now, with the left leg, I'll demonstrate grand battement jeté from the 5th position, 4 in each direction, en croix. Both legs are fully extended and the knees remain straight. When working to the side, alternate the 5th position, front and back. Maintain full turnout throughout the entire movement. The leg is thrown as high as possible, while the torso and hips remain absolutely still and vertical. If this video inspired you, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. See you at the next class!